allowance, conveyance allowance, travelling allowance and daily allowance are exempted to the actual expenditure incurred or the maintaining of the same. So it can be taken into account actual amount received or the actual expenses spent, whichever is less. So you should take it into the account whichever is less, the actual amount received or the actual amount spent by the employee. This is the second case. And third case is any allowances covered under subsection 10, 14 and 2 of the rule 2BB subsection 2, which is hill allowance, compensatory allowance, travel allowance by the handicapped employees, and tribal area allowance, and the children's education allowance, in which we should give more importance. Children's allowance is exempted up to 2 children each per month, and hostel expenditure it is exempted and allowed up to rupees 300 per month. So these are the exemption for the child education allowance and hostel expenditure for the children, and compensatory allowances and special allowance in the nature of the hill area. These are the allowances which is partially taxable. Now we are going to see the sum which consists of the allowances, and we should calculate the computation of gross salary. The question is, Mr. Ramesh Savin is employed at Hyderabad at basic salary of rupees 25,000 per month, and he is also getting the following allowances. So he is employed in the company in which he earns 25,000 per month. So we should multiply with 12 months. 25,000 into 12, 3 lakh. And DNS allowance 2,000 rupees per month, lunch allowance 1,000 rupees per month, servant allowance he is paying 1,200 to a servant and receiving rupees 1,000 per month. Transport allowance 2,000 per month, education allowance 200 per month per child for 3 children. Hostel allowance to one child 500 rupees, conveyance allowance 800 per month, overtime allowance 2000 per month, officiating allowance 2000 per month, cash allowance 1200 per month, entertainment allowance 2000, medical allowance 800 per month, city compensatory allowance 600 per month, house rent allowance 5000 per month. He is having a family at the place of his posting, but he is living in a rented house and paying the rent of rupees 7,000 per month. Find out his gross salary. Pass pannu. So we are calculating the gross salary of Mr. Ramesh Sharma. So first one we should take into account basic salary. So he is taking 25,000 per month. So into 12, 3 lakh rupees. Next, DNS allowance 2,000 per month. So into 12, 24,000. Lunch allowance fully taxable. So rupees 1,000 per month. 1,000 into 12, 12,000. It is fully taxable. Next one, servant allowance. He is paying 1,200 per month to the servant and getting rupees 1,000 per month. So servant allowance actually paying 1,200 per month, 24,000, received 1,000 rupees into 12, 12,000. We should take into account which is least. It is partially taxable. It's not partially. So servant allowance actual paying is 24,000. He is receiving the servant allowances rupees 12,000. It is taxable whichever is less. So 12,000 we are taking into account. Next one, transport allowance. Transport allowance 2,000 per month. So how much he spent, it is not given. So we are taking 24,000 as fully taxable. And education allowance, we had provisions in education allowance. He is spending for 3 children 200 each per month. So education allowance received less. So education allowance, he is receiving 200 per month for 3 children. So 200 into 12 into 3, 7,200. Exemption 100 into 2 into 12. Only for 2 children 100 per month is allowed. So we are taking into account 2,400. Remaining portion is fully taxable. So 4,800. Next, house allowance, HRA. Not house allowance, hostel allowance. Hostel allowance, he is receiving for one child 500 rupees. So actual received 500, and there is an exemption up to 300. It is exempted from the tax. It is exempted for tax. So remaining 200 is fully taxable. 200 into 12 per month means into 2 now 6,000. 6,000 less 3,600, and it is 2,400. And at 800 per month, so into 2, 9,600. Pass பண்ணுங்க. Next, overtime allowance. $2,000 per month, 24,000. Officiating allowance 2,000 into 12, 24,000. Cash allowance 1,200 into 12, 14,400. Entertainment allowance, which is fully exempted for government employees, and it is partially taxable for private employees, at 2,000 per month. In case the actual spend is not given, we are taking fully for taxable. And medical allowance, medical allowance 800 per month, so 800 into 12, 9,600. City compensatory allowance 600 per month, so 6 into 12, 7,200. And last, house rent allowance in which he is receiving how much he is receiving 5,000 per month, so 5,000 into 12, 60,000. So actual receipt, we have to go to provision. Actual receipt or rent paid minus 10% of excess salary, 10% of salary. So rent paid is, how much he is paying the rent? 7,000 per month. So 7,000 into 12, minus 10% of salary. Here we are taking into account only the basic pay, because they didn't mention that DNS allowance is entering into the retiring benefits. So we are taking 10% of salary as 30,000. So 54,000, and 40% of salary, since he is living in Hyderabad. So 3 lakh into 40%, 1,20,000, in which we are taking whichever is less. So 54,000 is less. Balance portion is taxable, that is 6,000, and we are calculating all the total. It comes to 4,98,000. So the gross salary of Ramesh is 4,98,000.